Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Boy with English. I want to tell you about the most important conversation you will ever have. It is not a conversation with a teacher. It is not a conversation with a native speaker. It is the conversation you have with yourself, inside your own head. Right now, what language is your brain using? If you are hungry, do you think, "I am hungry," in your native language? If you are tired, do you think, "I need to sleep," in your mother tongue? Most students spend all day thinking in one language, then try to switch to English for 1 hour of study. This is why you feel slow. This is why your brain feels heavy. Your brain is a muscle. Exercise 1 hour, stays weak. Change how you think. Practice English 24 hours a day. Today, 3 tiny habits. No extra time needed. Brush teeth? Do it. Walk to work? Do it. Let's unlock your English brain. Part 2. Habit 1. The labeling method. 00 to 10:00. First habit, simplest one, called labeling. Most translate because see object to brain gives native word. See chair, think, change the label. Practice now. Look around your room, right now. Don't make sentences. Just name objects, English only. Window, table, phone, chair, book, lamp, cup, pen. 10 times a day. Why? Brain learns. Image to English word. Skip the middleman. Skip translation completely. Cup example. See cup, arrow. No native word arrow, just cup. Real life test. Tomorrow morning, walk through house. Label everything silently. Watch translation disappear. Part 3. Habit 2. I am narration. Second habit, for moving. I am narration. Washing dishes? Walking somewhere? Describe actions. Simple verbs. Power verbs. Make, take, go. Kitchen practice. Imagine kitchen now. Action. Get water glass. I am taking glass. Action. Sit down. I am sitting down. Action. Check phone. I am looking at phone. Action. Open fridge. I am opening fridge. Action. Eat apple. I am eating apple. Why powerful? Brain learns. English equals life. Not just books. Not just class. English equals you. Walking example. Sun shining. I am walking fast. Feet feel good. I am breathing fresh air. Part 4. Habit 3. Day summary. Final habit. Nighttime. Before sleep, 1 minute. 60 seconds only. Close eyes. Past tense summary. 3 things today. Practice now. Think, 3 hours ago. What did you do? Say out loud. I went. My day example. I went to market. I ate good lunch. I talked with friend. Brain magic. Night summary equals save memories in English. Tell brain, English important. Do nightly. Memories stored English forever. My friends, no need America. No need England. Change conversation inside head. Improve 1% daily. 1 year equals new person. No partner needed. No class needed. Start thinking. Start speaking to yourself. I am Boy with English. Your brain, ready. Your voice, ready. Bye for now.